Good day, everybody. So today we have kind of a special video. We're going to be wrapping the E92. Just kind of give you guys an update of where I'm at. I actually went ahead and wrapped my trunk. The roof has been wrapped, and then I've also wrapped the hood. So it's gonna be like a satin black. The whole car is gonna be satin black. I got my good buddy Jay Wheelie coming to help me out. Jay Wheelie is his YouTube channel. I'll insert a clip here. We are clear for takeoff. Absolute madman. Just insane. Just crazy, right? Just insane. Yeah. Just insane. So yeah. So today I'm going to be focusing on the rear bumper. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to remove the rear bumper, all the parking sensors, and get it prepped. This is my good buddy Jamin.
What's up?
Help me out, Mr. Jay Wheelie.
AKA Jay Wheelie.
Yeah. And we're gonna get to wrapping this bumper. So let's see what happens. So I've got the back all wrapped up, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to give this one final heat, and then I'm going to throw it together. So the trunk and the bumper are all put back together, and I am really liking how this is turning out. she is together. I have thrown the front end on, and I am pretty pleased with how it's turned out. Yeah, so we got the doors to do, the quarter panels, and the A-pillar, which is all one piece, the side skirts, and that's it. So it is getting pretty close to done. Anyways, everybody, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.